How to pick up your baby for Kangaroo care. It is less stressful for most babies when parents pick up their baby for Kangaroo care. Talk to your baby's healthcare team to plan your Kangaroo care time. You may need help with the transfer depending on the needs of your baby. Prepare to do Kangaroo care for as long as possible. Go to the washroom, eat beforehand or have a snack and water nearby. Have a pump within reach if you're planning to pump milk before, during, or after Kangaroo care. Ask for a comfortable chair. Remember to wash your hands before you pick up your baby. This helps keep your baby safe. Remove your top so you are bare-chested. Put on the Kangaroo care wrap. Prepare your baby by changing their diaper, taking their temperature, removing any clothing that they might have on. Raise the incubator to hip height. Open the incubator door or raise the top of the incubator. Move your body as close as possible to your baby. Place your hands under your baby. Contain your baby's arms and legs, and move your baby so their feet are closest to you. Lower your chest to your baby and lift your baby in one movement to your chest. Support your baby's body and head as you stand up. Pull the wrap over your baby's body to the top of their shoulder or bottom of their earlobe. Loosely tie or wrap the straps around you. Ask for help if you need another hand. A healthcare team member can adjust the lines and tubes as needed. Pause. Check to see that all team members are ready and that the equipment is in a safe position before you sit down. Slowly sit down into your chair. Secure the tubes and lines to the wrap or gown. Check the positioning of your baby and the wrap. Get comfortable and enjoy this time with your baby.